I freaking love Idaho. Who here loves Idaho? Yes! We got a handful of holdouts, but we'll fix you by the end. I love Idaho. I love the environment of Idaho. I love the trees, the mountains, the crystal clear waters. But what I really love about Idaho is the agriculture. I really do. Surprising to many, Idaho is actually a beef state, as Dr. Chris mentioned. There are 2.5 million head of beef cattle in the state of Idaho. There are 2 million people in the state of Idaho. Second only to dairy, beef is one of Idaho's largest industries. Potatoes are number 3. Did you know that? Yeah, fighting taters. In the last 10 years, in the state of Idaho, there have been 4 major beef processing facilities built to meet the demand for taking the amazing cattle that are raised in this state and converting them into safe, nutritious, and tasty beef. That means that the opportunities for employment, research, and outreach abound. In order to meet the needs of meat processors in the state of Idaho, at this very moment, a brand new, state-of-the-art, USDA inspected meat processing facility is being built on this campus. Yes! Yes! This will be 12,500 square feet of space devoted to teaching the next generation of butchers. The facility will allow for research to be conducted for finding solutions to challenges faced by the meat processing community. In a building specifically designed by modern standards, which will facilitate the discovery of applied solutions for our stakeholders in the Pacific Northwest and beyond. An example of research our team continues to address is in response to the fact that we're getting really good at growing big cattle. This means that our farmers and ranchers have done an excellent job in raising healthy, efficient cattle that result in lots of meat with fewer inputs. Yay, agriculture. However, this also brings some challenges to the processing world, the meat processing world. We continue to look at ways of optimizing those big beef carcasses, chilling them to effectively and safely ideal temperatures, while finding ways to optimize their color and safety. Different butchery techniques will be developed to help to improve the quality, appearance, and shelf life of those steaks and roasts coming from those big, efficient cattle. Not only does this help with taste and appearance, but it will also help to minimize food waste, and that's a good thing. It's a fun time to be a meat scientist. Yes, we do exist. And because the University of Idaho has become and will remain the premier meat science program in the Western United States, we will be able to help with continuing education for our meat processing professionals through our extension and outreach workshops. Classes begin at the new meat lab in January 2026. That's only a couple months away, people. Yes! The future of meat processing needs great people. The University of Idaho is ready to help meet those needs. Thank you.